Welcome to BioTime. In this video, we are going to see about the structure of human heart. This is the diagrammatic representation of human heart. The human heart is divided into four chambers: the upper chambers and the lower chambers. The two upper chambers are called as auricles or atrium, and the two lower chambers are called as ventricles. The right side of the heart is separated from the left side by a septum, which prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Between the right atrium and the right ventricle lies the tricuspid valve. Between the left atrium and the left ventricle lies the mitral valve or bicuspid valve. Now we can see the blood vessels connected to heart. Vena cava from the upper body or superior vena cava from the lower body or inferior vena cava, pulmonary artery, aorta, pulmonary vein. Vena cava from the upper body or the superior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from anterior regions of the body, and this opens into the right auricle. Vena cava from the lower body or the inferior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from the posterior regions of the body, and this opens into the right auricle. The pulmonary artery, which arises from the right ventricle, carries deoxygenated blood, and this is taken to the lungs for purification. Pulmonary vein, which brings oxygenated blood from the lungs, and this pours into the left atrium. The aorta, which arises from the left ventricle, carries oxygenated blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. Human heart. The heart is an organ which pumps blood to all the parts of our body through the blood vessels. Heart is located between the lungs and is well protected by ribs with its lower tip slightly tilted towards the left. It is triangular in shape. The heart is a muscular and powerful structure. It is about the size of our closed fist. The function of heart is to pump the blood. It beats about 60 to 80 times per minute. The heart is enclosed in a double-layered membranous sac called pericardium. The heart is divided into four chambers. The upper two chambers of the heart are called as atria, singular atrium or auricle, and two lower chambers of the heart are called ventricles. The left side of the heart is completely separated from its right side by means of a partition wall called septum, which prevents the mixing of oxygenated blood with the deoxygenated blood. A tricuspid valve is present between the right atrium and right ventricle, which allows blood to flow from right atrium to right ventricle. A bicuspid valve is present between left atrium and left ventricle, which allows blood to flow from left atrium to left ventricle. These cup-shaped valves allow the flow of blood in one direction only, that is from auricles to ventricles and not back into the auricles. The right side of the heart contains deoxygenated blood which is received from all parts of the body. The deoxygenated blood is pumped to the lungs. In lungs, the blood gets rid of carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen from the air inhaled into the lungs. This oxygen-rich blood is received by the heart from lungs and is pumped to all parts of the body. Blood vessels connected with the heart. Superior vena cava. It brings deoxygenated blood from the anterior parts of the body and opens into the right auricle at the anterior end. Inferior vena cava. It brings deoxygenated blood from posterior parts of the body and opens into the right auricle. Pulmonary vein. They bring oxygenated blood from lungs and open into the left auricle. Pulmonary artery. It arises from the right ventricle. It takes deoxygenated blood to the lungs for purification. Aorta. It is the largest blood vessel and arises from the left ventricle. It takes oxygenated blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. The openings of the pulmonary artery and the aorta are guarded by semilunar valves. Coronary artery and coronary sinus. The coronary artery supplies oxygenated blood to the wall of the heart and the coronary sinus or coronary vein receives the blood from the wall of the heart. Thank you for watching. Subscribe BioTime. Do like, share and comment below.